John Dougherty exiting court. We're going to make our way over there. We have a camera over there. Natasha, as we work our way over there, any thoughts from what you've heard? Because I know, having sat in this trial, it was clear there was a lot of money moving back and forth. Let's go ahead and listen to John Dougherty. Thank you.
Okay.
We have pre-trial or post-trial motions from the first trial that still need to be litigated. We have another trial coming up, so there's a lot more to litigate in this case.
Great. Now, Mr. Dougherty, you are able to stay at home until the sentencing. Does that bring you any sense of comfort?
No, it's just, look, let's talk about the trial. The trial was a complicated case. It was even complicated, obviously, for my professionals. The jury elected to believe Tony Massa. The case was over. You know, the minute they believed Tony Massa, the case was over. So, I mean, everything else just fell in line. It was, of course, once you believe the first one with Tony Massa, he just checks the boxes. So, you know, we have a lot of things to consider, but we respect what happened, and we'll move forward. We always do.
The government's 2 for 2 right now. I mean, are you concerned about your future at this point, and do you plan to appeal?
Well, listen, we've got a good legal team. I got a couple open-ended issues we got to handle. Right now, I'm just going to get home to Celia and do what I do.
Emotionally,
talk about the judge bringing up the fact that you are caring for your wife. He didn't find you to be a flight risk or a danger to the community.
It's the worst kept secret in Philadelphia. That's what I do. For 6.5 years, I haven't done anything but stay at home with Celia, and that's what I do. I don't bring it up. You know, I don't use it as an excuse. I've never used it as a crutch. That's what I do. You know, so.
Did you spend union funds, and did you realize when you were doing so?
Well, listen, we're going to go, but that's not the question. I told you the question was they believe Tony Massa, and the case was over then. You know.
Emotionally, how are you doing right now?
I'm fine.
Hey, John, are you resigned that maybe you're going to serve some federal time here, John?
Hey, listen, I answered all your questions. Headed back to go home. You know where I'm headed. That's what I'm going to do. Okay? I couldn't be more square with all you guys, you know. So that's it. I gave you every answer you needed.
I'm sorry, but we weren't.
Yeah, we're going to do that. Check. Greg will give you all the answers there. Stop.
All right, so there you go. I'm not sure if you guys can still hear me, but we are obviously watching John Dougherty get into his car here. He does not want to speak anymore. When asked directly if he did steal Local 98 funds, that was the end of the interview.